Welcome back. Let's take a quick peek at some of the popular attractions at Yokohama Hakkeijima Sea Paradise. We start our journey with the magnificent polar bears, gracefully swimming through their expansive tank. Watch as these majestic creatures glide effortlessly in the water, showcasing their strength and agility. Next, we move on to a stunning tank filled with sharks, rays, and schools of fish. It's a breathtaking display of marine life in its most captivating form. Over here, we find a group of spider crabs. Now, let's walk through the mesmerizing underwater tunnel. As we stroll beneath the surface, we're surrounded by a vibrant community of fish, including sharks that seem to glide right above us. The excitement continues at the dolphin performance. Watch in awe as a trainer and a beluga whale perform incredible tricks, followed by an amazing group performance where trainers and dolphins interact in perfect harmony, delighting the audience with their intelligence and playfulness. Next, let's take a walk towards the Forestarium, a tranquil area with lush greenery and interactive exhibits that bring visitors closer to nature. As we head down some stairs, the sheer scale of the park comes into view. Yokohama Hakkeijima Sea Paradise is far more than just an aquarium. It's a vast, immersive world waiting to be explored. We're now walking along the scenic pier, taking in the panoramic views of the park and ocean. Look over here, at the interactive dolphin pool. These playful dolphins are having a blast, playing with volleyballs and engaging with visitors. Before we wrap up, don't forget to visit the gift shop to take home a little piece of this magical experience. It's time to head out, but with memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you for joining us on this quick tour of Yokohama Hakkeijima Sea Paradise. If you're ever in Japan, this is a must-see destination for families, animal lovers, and adventure seekers alike. Until next time, happy exploring!